Hi, my name is Anders. I'm here with Humley at InfoComm 2025, and I'm here today to show you the Humley floor plan. And the Humley floor plan is a visualization in 3D showing your spaces. And it gives you a quick overview of what's currently available, what's currently booked, to help you find a space if you're looking to collaborate or a place to sit. It's also a great tool to allow you to find your colleagues or find a specific location. So, for example, let's say I'm planning to be in the office, and I want to check where my colleague Bob is sitting, so I can choose a location next to him. And then I see that Bob has booked this parking space over here. He's booked a desk, so I might go for a desk just next to him. So it makes it very convenient to plan your hybrid work week. All of this is, of course, it has its own functionality. Now we're showing it on a big screen. But for regular users, you would normally see it as part of the integrated in either a web application for your reservations or in Microsoft Teams, for example. So if you want to know more about the Humley floor plan, look us up at humley.com and read more there.